Hey friends, welcome to my green space. I have this small caps which came as a part of the water filters of our water purifier. So we can think of making very small planter out of this. There are another 3 to 4, but I'll be using only these two. And let's see how we can make use of this. And probably I'll need a metal wire also to make a handle for these. Attached a wire using a clay and made a small stand so that it can stand stable on the surface. Now we are going to use some potting soil and we are going to put some small plants into it. So let's close the drainage hole with some small pebbles. I'm going to use some coconut fiber. Now we are almost done. We'll just decorate it with a few pebbles, and there we are with a nice cute little planter. This trendy planter can be placed anywhere on a bright corner of your window or a living space. Isn't it looking cool and nice? Hope you like this idea. Thank you, friends.